Is Python really better than Java? Or is Java still the king of stability in the coding world? If you're thinking about diving into the world of artificial intelligence, web development, or app creation, you've probably faced this question: Python or Java? In this video, we're not just comparing the two languages in general, we're going deep into 3 major programming domains to help you make a smarter decision about which language suits your goals. 1. Artificial intelligence. Python. Python is, without a doubt, the most popular language in the world of AI and machine learning. Why? Because it has powerful libraries like TensorFlow, PyTorch, Scikit-learn, and Keras. Writing machine learning algorithm code in Python is both simpler and more readable. It's widely used by researchers and data scientists, so there's a massive community, lots of educational resources, and tons of open-source projects available. Java. Java is used less than Python in AI, but it still has its place, especially in projects that require high speed and stability, like banking software that incorporates artificial intelligence. There are libraries like Deep Learning 4J for deep learning in Java, but they're used far less than Python's equivalents. Python. Simplicity plus specialized libraries. Java. Faster performance, especially in large, stable systems. Better choice for AI. Python. 2. Web development. Python. With frameworks like Django and Flask, web development in Python is fast and simple. It's an excellent choice for MVPs or startups that want quick results. Less code, a clearer structure, and faster learning have drawn many developers to it. Java. With frameworks like Spring Boot, Java is a powerful choice for building large-scale web systems. In large companies or projects that demand security, scalability, and stability, Java is still a core pillar. Python. Rapid development, ideal for small to medium projects. Java. Suited for enterprise-level, high-load applications. Better choice for web development. Depends on project scale. 3. Application development. Python. Python isn't inherently designed for desktop or mobile app development. It's possible to build apps using tools like Kivy or Beware, but there are many limitations. Lower performance and limited support make it less ideal as a primary app development language. Java. Java, especially in Android development, remains one of the core languages. With Android SDK and broad support from Google, mobile app development with Java is smooth, well-documented, and reliable. It's also still used for desktop apps with JavaFX or Swing. Python. Not suitable for professional apps. Java. A primary choice for Android development. Better choice for applications. Java. Final summary. When it comes to artificial intelligence, Python is, without a doubt, the more logical and future-oriented choice. For web development, go with Python if you value speed and simplicity, but if you're aiming to build large, robust systems, Java is the way to go. For application development, especially mobile, Java is the clear winner. There's no better language, only a more suitable one. Choose based on your domain goals and future plans. You can become an expert in either language. You just need to know where to start